Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Google Docs app and navigating to the document with the table you want to remove. Tap inside any table cell so the blue selection markers appear. This confirms the app recognizes the table. Once done, either drag the small handle to expand selection or double tap a cell to bring up the contextual menu. You need that menu to reach table controls. Make sure the keyboard doesn't cover the menu by swiping it down if necessary. After selecting the table, move quickly to the three-dot overflow or the floating contextual menu that appears near the selection. Tap that menu. Depending on your app version, you may see table options directly or a more item to expand. Once the menu is open, locate Delete Table. It's the command that removes the entire structure rather than clearing cells. You tap Delete Table, and the app will remove the table while retaining the surrounding text. This is cleaner. Tap Delete Table to complete the removal, and then glance through the document to confirm the table is gone and text flows correctly. If you don't see Delete Table, make sure the app is updated. Alternatively, select the entire table manually by dragging across all cells until the selection covers every cell, then reopen the menu. If something goes wrong, immediately use Undo or Open Version History to restore prior content. That recovers lost text if the deletion removed information inadvertently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.